Hi guys, what's up? It's Alli. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. But if you are coming back, welcome back. It's nice to see you again. That's your extra greeting because I freaking love Curtis. I'm currently in between classes today and I decided to film this video. This has been a very anticipated video in my mind. I have really been wanting to film this because I feel like it's very not common to make a video about how to keep your room smelling good or anything smelling good without candles. I feel like everybody mentions candles, but I feel like when it comes to dorm rooms or apartments, like places like that don't really allow candles. I mean, some apartment complexes do, but then others don't. But I feel like when it comes to places where candles aren't allowed, nobody really talks about how to keep it smelling fresh and how to keep it smelling good. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a few ways, tips and tricks and all that, how I keep my dorm room fresh and how you can too, and little alternative ways that I also found online on what other people recommend. If you can't burn candles for any reason, either it's a rule, regulation, or it's just your parents or who you live with or whatever the case may be, this video is for you. So before I get started, make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. I also have my social medias linked down below if you want to get more in touch of my day-to-day life. So with all that self-promo out of the way, let's get started. So the first thing can be pretty self-explanatory, but you need air fresheners. So the two that I have here, this is actually a Lysol disinfectant spray, and the reason why I add this into a air freshener is because if you have bacteria in the air, if you were sick, you can kind of feel that in the air. I don't really know how to explain it, but you can kind of feel when the air is like not clean. Like, have you ever been to a not clean place and you're just like, ugh, it's kind of dirty. Like I can feel it in the atmosphere. That's what this is good for. Just spraying the air daily, spraying countertops, bed sheets, all of that is so helpful, and it actually improves the smell of the air. This one has a spring waterfall scent, so it does have a scent to it. It just doesn't smell like Clorox. So yeah, this is very helpful. And also I have myself some trusty Febreze, and this is perfect. This is in the scent Linen and Sky. So these two in combination are honestly amazing. The next thing that has been my absolute lifesaver in school has been these little plug-in air fresheners. This one is like a simple Glade one. It's a continually fragrance in the air. You plug it in, it lasts 2 to 3 weeks, I would say. I feel like some people really exaggerate the time that this lasts. It really doesn't last that long. I replaced this maybe 3 times, and the semester started in January, so I don't know what that tells you. Do with that information as you'd like. But yeah, I got this in the scent of vanilla passion fruit, and I just picked this up. The great thing about this also is that you can pick it up literally anywhere. You can pick it up at CVS, Publix, Walmart, Target, all those places. Of course, like the price varies, but it's only like $1 or $2 difference, so it's not that big of a deal. But I just got these 2 refills the other day. It's vanilla passion fruit, or what is it? Yeah, vanilla passion fruit and Hawaiian breeze. I love the vanilla passion fruit. I haven't tried the Hawaiian breeze yet. I picked this one up because I couldn't find the one that has 2 vanillas. Hawaiian breeze though, I smelled it, like got a little whiff of it. I was like, whoa honey, this smells good. So I'm excited to try that one. But yeah, these are just like regular Glade plug-in. So yes, I will have this also linked down below. You guys, if you have not tried an air freshener, a plug-in air freshener, it literally changes your life. I have it unplugged for like 2 seconds, but oh my gosh, it smells so good, and your whole room smells like this. It's honestly amazing. Going down the list, I have a few more tips for you guys, actually 3 more tips. The next one is to wash your sheets consistently. In my dorm room tour, which if you guys want to check that out, linked up here, linked down there, you guys know where to find it. If you guys watched that video, you guys know I was like, wash your sheets. I don't know who needs to hear this, but please wash your sheets. Washing your sheets is probably the biggest game changer, period. Changing your sheets is very important. Be very consistent with this. Even if you have to like buy a bunch of set of sheets just not to do laundry, because I know some people hate laundry. That's moving on to my next step. We'll talk about that in a second, but please change your sheets. And also, it'll make a huge difference in the way your room smells and a huge difference in your skin. If you see yourself like getting like a little bit of acne on like sides of your face, it might be your sheets, so make sure to check that out. It's also a whole other factors that could affect that, but sheets are a main one, and that's a main one that a lot of people don't realize. And that leads on to what I'm about to say next. This isn't really my next tip. This kind of has to do with your sheets. Do your laundry. You have to do your laundry consistently. It's funny how you realize how much you actually wear when you're constantly going to class every day, constantly doing things all the time. I go through so many clothes in literally like Monday through Friday. Like, it's insane. I find myself doing laundry sometimes twice a week. That is crazy. Honestly, it's not a set like, oh, 2 times a week, oh, once a week. Do your laundry when you know you need to do your laundry. But yeah, doing your laundry will help you. So for the next tip, I was gonna make it into 2 tips, but really it's just one. Ventilate your room. This is something that not a lot of people think of in the beginning of the semester. I kept my door closed all the time. Of course, if you're just like chilling in your room studying, you're completely like just, you know, watching Netflix, whatever, why not keep your door peaked a little bit? You know what I mean? It's not really that big of a deal. And even if it's for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just like cracking your door open, getting a little bit of airflow, a little bit of ventilation into your room is very, very helpful. Another thing I wanted to mention was opening your windows. It's kind of the exact same thing, especially fresh air. Fresh air literally has a way of killing any type of smell. Like, it's so odd. I don't know what about it. It's like almost like the sun is like healing like the bad smells. It's so funny. But yeah, keep your window open for a little bit, keep your door cracked. I only say that because some windows don't open. Like, some windows in some dorm rooms do not open. So if your window doesn't open, your best bet is your door. Keep that ventilation, keep that sunlight in, and you should be good to go. That is pretty much it for all my tips on how to keep your dorm room smelling fresh and clean and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more tips, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Beauty by Alli 7, and also make sure to follow me on social medias in the description box down below to keep up with my daily life. And yeah, I hope you guys have a prosperous end of the semester. I hope you guys get awesome final grades and pass your classes with A's and get that GPA up, keep it up, or whatever your case may be. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Went right outside the window. Some people live for the fortune, who live just to play the game. Silver platter, some people need.